So as we studied in our yesterday's class, work or work done. So just simply, can you tell me what is the work formula? Forget about the force is applied inclination or whatever it is.
Force
Casually,
into
yeah,
impedance.
casually work is equals to what formula? F dot,
Fs.
Force into
Force
displacement.
in this
yeah, force
displacement.
into displacement, or we can say F dot S cos theta. Am I right or wrong? So this is what we studied the formula, okay, for work done. If the applied force and displacement are same direction, then theta is equals to what, everybody? Theta is equals to 0. Then cos 0, cos theta is cos 0. Cos 0 is value how much? Cos 0 value 1. If applied force and displacement is opposite direction, then we all knows that work done is equals to what? Fs cos 180. So cos 180 value how much ra? -1. So that work done will become what? Negative. Am I right or wrong, guys? Speak
Yes,
loudly.
sir.
So if the angle, if
Yes.
the angle between them is 0, then work done is positive Fs. Angle between both are opposite direction, then we can say it is negative work done. So I think these all the things we studied in our yesterday's class. Am I right, everybody? All of you, please respond. So in our today's class, only I will teach you an important concept with many things. You should learn that like very perfectly. Very important. Even again, class 10th will come, and again 11, 12 also. Again it will come. So that is what we should say, concept called as, what is the concept, everybody? Power. Okay. So let us discuss what do you mean by this power and how to calculate it. Many new things also I'll introduce. Of course, for your school level, what you want to study, and as well as next, what it is that everything will go, sir. So power. Let us consider a man. For example, I'll consider Mr. Pranav. Mr. Pranav, yesterday you were absent. Am I right? Very bad boy. So now, let me consider, for example, if you take Mr. Pranav here, I will put one load in front of him. What is this, everybody? We used to call it as what? Load. And I will ask him to lift. Mr. What is the Pranav task, everybody? What is the Pranav task? Load, and he has to lift the height of in his head. Let me take the height is like above, almost like 5. Well, let me take 1 meter height or 1.5 meter height. Now I'll ask Mr. Mari again to lift the same load, okay, and to the same height. To understand, everybody? Same load with what, everybody? Same load with the same height. Same height, they have to rise it. Sorry, not with, same load to the same height. Now, Mr. Pranav has taken 10 seconds to lift the load. Mr. Mari has taken 15 seconds to lift the load to the same height. Height is same. Clear? Pranav, let me take H meters. So he is also lifting, he is also lifting. For the same height, he has taken how much, guys? Mari has taken how much time, everybody? Mari has taken 15 seconds, and Pranav has taken how many seconds? Yes,
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Now,
10 seconds.
whom you can say power is more? General discussion. Generally, we will speak. So then we can say, who is having more? Pranav is having more power. Pranav is more powerful, or Mari is more powerful? Not power, powerful. Anybody?
Pranav.
Pranav. Why you are saying Pranav is more powerful, girl? Why are you saying that Pranav is more powerful? Anybody? Both have done same work done. Do you understanding, all of you? Check it, everybody.
Time differentiation.
Then
And they lift
everybody.
the load in short period of time.
Yes, see that. Mr. Pranav also lifted the same load for the same height. Mr. Mari is also lifted same load for the same height. So both the cases, work done by Pranav is equals to work done by Mari. Both are equal. But how are you saying that Pranav is more powerful? Anybody? Yes, please. That is because Mr. Pranav has done, understanding, has done same work faster or slower? same amount of work faster.
Fast.
Okay? So that is what we can say. So, and Mari has done it, he has taken more time so that his power is less powerful, he is more powerful. Yes, please. Pranav has done same work faster so that he is saying he is more powerful or less powerful, Pranav? Everybody? He is more powerful and Mari is less powerful. Why Mari is less powerful? Anybody? Yes, please. Mari is less powerful because he has taken what? Same work done, but he has been taken more time or less time?
More time.
Yeah, more time. That is what you have to remember. So, even though they are taking the same work done, but you are saying that one is powerful, another one is not powerful. Am I right or wrong? Mr. Lingesh, join with the number properly. I want to see who is the absentees and who is present. Everything. Clear, everybody? Same work done, more time taking Mari, or the same work done, less time taking Mari. That is a Pranav. So that's why I can say Pranav is more powerful and Mari is less powerful. Am I right or wrong, guys? Will you all agree with me? Please respond, everybody. All of you. Now, let me take everybody. Absa, this is more realistic one. So let me take, you are all having a house. Okay, wa? Everybody? So we are all having a house and terrace we are having something. What we are having terrace? What we are having? Terrace, உங்களுக்கு something இருக்கா? What is that?
Water tank.
Water tank. So for water tank, you can see, if you want to pump the water to the water tank, we'll connect it to the what, guys? We'll connect it to the something. Anybody can tell? Yes, please.
Motor.
We'll connect it to the motor. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? So we'll connect to the motor. So if you on the switch, so there is a switch actually. So if you on the switch, automatically water will be pumping. Now averagely you tell me, Mr. Mari, how much time taking in your home to fill the tank? Anybody? Your Mari, what is your house timing? Your tank capacity? What is the tank capacity and what is the time taken if you on the motor sharply? How much time it will take to fill your water tank?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Any other knows? Sam? Mr. Lingesh?
20 minutes, sir.
20 minutes? Okay. So if you take here, of course, our water tank, our house water tank is also, I think it is 2000 liter capacity. What is the capacity of the water tank? 2000 liters. Understanding? So maybe your water tank 2000, 4000, 5000. Maybe it will be varies upon your usage and all. So Mr. Lingesh house, it will taking just only 4 minutes. Is it true, Mr. Lingesh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If it is true, then your motor is more powerful. Okay. So now, if you take, for example, if I ask, let me take the volume. What is the volume or capacity? Volume or capacity, both are same. What is the general language? We'll say capacity. But what is the physics word? We'll use it for capacity. Everybody? Yes, please.
Volume.
Okay. So volume of a water tank is 200 liters. Now, there is a staircase. Okay. So there is a staircase where imagine like for example, this is Mr. Linge's home. Mr. Lingesh is taking one bucket, and he is carrying the water, going and filling. And after 1 hour, of time, Mr. Lingesh carried 2000 liters of water and he filled the water tank fully. Purima Amare, Mr. Pranav, everybody. Mr. Lingesh is manually carrying the water with the help of a bucket. And he has taken how much time to fill the water tank? Everybody?
1 hour.
1 hour. Same. What is the work done? Same amount of water has been carried. Understanding? So to the same height. So as I said to you, work is a scalar quantity or vector quantity?
Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity. Okay. So only initial position and final position matters here. So work done by Mr. Lingesh is same. So now work done by Mr. Lingesh is equals to Lingesh on the motor called as Lingesh motor. Okay, this is his house. So we will say Lingesh motor. So Mr. Lingesh on the motor Now he said, Mr. Lingesh, just within a 4 minutes of time, the tank is overflowing. So now if you notice it, what is the work done by the machine also, motor also? Work done by the motor also, which is equals to what? Work done by Mr. Yes, please, Lingesh. Okay. So both has done the same work, but who is more powerful and who is less powerful? Anybody? Who is more powerful and who is less powerful? All of you.
Motor is more powerful.
The motor is more powerful and Lingesh is less powerful. Why? Yes, please. Mr. Lingesh is less powerful. Lingesh motor is more powerful. Why, guys? Both are doing the same work. But what makes you to say that Lingesh is less powerful?
Fastness.
Time.
Yes, that is what. So motor very fastly can fill the water, and if you Lingesh is trying to fill the water, it will take 1 hour to fill the water time. Am I right, Mr. Lingesh? Clear? Everybody? So that is what it is, we can say. So just when we talk about power, you just remember what is only matters. Whenever we talk about power, what is matters? Time taken to do the work. Clear, everybody? How much time they're taking to complete the given work? That is what is called as power. Okay, so please write it. When we talk about power, so immediately you should speak what, guys? You should speak about the time taken to do the work. Is it okay, everybody? Is also considered. So that is what we used to call as power. Okay. So all of you remember, you should not consider main thing, amount of work done, because amount of work alone you cannot. Not the amount of work alone. You have to consider what? Along with the work, you have to consider what? Everybody speak, guys. Along the work, you have to consider what?
Time taken.
Time taken. Then only you people will get power. Okay, everybody? Mr. Lingesh, understand? Sam, Princey, anything doubt, please let me know. Sangamitra, that is what. So that is only wish to say power. So from that I can say thus power is defined as the rate at which the work is done. Rate at which the work is done is only called as what? Speak loudly. Rate at which work is done is only called as what? All of you. Power. Okay. So power is equals to what I can say, guys? Work done by. Indra, speak loudly. Rate means with respect to time. How many times I have taught you? No, first chapter also we studied. Rate of change of velocity. What is that? Rate of change of velocity. We used to call something. What is that? Pargata. Waste. Rate of change of velocity. Theriyada. No use.
V minus U by T.
V minus U by T. Rate means with respect to time. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Rate of change of velocity means what? Acceleration. Every time remember with respect to rate. Rate means with respect to what? Everybody. Rate means with respect to time. Okay. So this is the power formula. So power symbol is P. Momentum symbol also what? Momentum symbol also what?
P.
P only. So, but power symbol also P only, which is equals to work done by time. So please make it fast, everybody. This is only the power formula. Do it quick. Any doubt? Please let me know. Understanding, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please make it fast. Via Alvin, Abhirami, Arasini, Darshan. Okay. Do it fast, everybody. Gokul Raj, Asri, Asri Sadaka, Kishore, Lakshya. Completed, all of you? Then can you write the units of work done? So it is what? Since both work done and time are scalars, power is a what quantity? Scalar quantity, vector quantity.
Scalar quantity.
Yes, others.
Yeah.
Scalar or vector?
Scalar, sir.
Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity.
Yeah, please write it. So write it. Since work and time is scalar quantities, since work and time is scalar quantities, Prince and Sangamitra, you have to respond. You cannot be silent. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
work done is a what? Work done is a scalar quantity. Time is also a scalar quantity. So scalar and scalar. So that power is also what quantity? Speak loudly. Power is also a
Scalar.
scalar.
Scalar quantity.
Write it. Power is a scalar quantity. Okay, Nivedan. Purima, Mr. Lingesh. Any doubt? Ask me. Understanding all of you? Now, we all people knows that. Everyone. Work done is equals to what is the formula? We know that. Yes, please. We know that work done is equals to what? Speak
Force
amount.
is equal to
F into
force
S.
into
Force into
displacement.
displacement. So, can I replace in place of work done? Can I write it as a Fs by T? Am I right or wrong? Yes or no, Mari?
Yes,
Lingesh?
joules.
Yes. No, I'm not saying joules. Work done by time means can I write as a Fs by T? Speak loudly,
Yes.
everybody. So now this one, can I write as a F into S by T? Can I write it or not? Check it, everybody. Can I write F into S by T? Right or wrong? Verify it, everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
distance by time or something. Anybody can tell distance or displacement by time? Anything? Yeah, distance or displacement, whatever it is. Distance by time, something we can call. Forgot?
Speed.
Yes. I'm asking you that only. What is that?
Speed.
By time we used to call it as velocity. So I can replace power is equals to force into velocity. Am I right or wrong? Both are same or not? Verify it. Tell me, guys. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes, sir.
please keep it in mind. Okay. Now, here if you notice, force is a vector. Force is a vector quantity. Velocity is also vector quantity. But power is a what? Power is a what?
Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity.
Power is always a scalar quantity. Purima? Everybody. Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, power formulas are three. One is power is equals to what? Speak loudly. Power is equals to what? Work done by time. Second formula, power is equals to Fs by time. So, power is equals to work done by time. Power is equals to F into S divided by time, which is what I can write F into S by T. So, which is equals to force into velocity. Okay, everybody? Any doubt? Anybody can ask me till here. I hope everybody understand. Yes? Please respond. All of you, Mr. Mari, Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Pranav, Nivedan, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sangamitrai, understood, Darshan, that is one. Next, units of power. Enadi? Units of what? Power. Okay. So, unit of power is watt. What is the unit of power? Unit of power is what? Watt. Again, symbol is capital W. So don't get confused. Whenever power will come, instead of capital W, write watt. Because capital W we are
Sir,
using,
yes, yes, yes.
this is SI unit, Mari. Okay. We are using always watt, W for work done also. Am I right or wrong? So that is why don't get confused. So watt. What is the SI unit of power, everybody? Speak loudly. SI unit
Watt.
of power is what?
Watt.
Watt. Okay.
Watt.
That is one. Okay. Now, so power is equals to, we all people knows, power is equals to, what is the time? What is the formula? Work by, work done or work by, what is that?
Time.
Time taken.
So what is the work done formula? Speak loudly. I'll say power is equals to 1 watt. So power is equals to 1 watt means what is the work done? Work done unit raw. Array, very, very bad. Work done, what is the unit? Joule. Joule divided by second.
Joule.
That is what. So can I say this one as 1 joule per 1 second? 1 joule per 1 second. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Joule is the unit
Yes,
of some
sir.
other
Sir, then,
metals.
sir, then F into V.
Yes, Mari. F into V means joule only, correct, Mari? Finally. Everything is joule only. Whatever it is the same. Check it, Mari. Unit is same
So,
only, a
sir,
joule.
can
Ah.
we use F into V?
Yes, Mari. That is also joule only will come. Can I prove it? So 1 watt is equals to, you can see, 1 joule per 1 second. 1 watt equals how much, Amma? 1 joule per 1 second. Means if anybody will do 1 joule of work in 1 second, then what is the power of the body? If anybody takes or do 1 joule of work done in 1 second, then what is the power of the body? Anybody? Speak, Ra.
1 watt.
Anybody will do 1 joule of work done in 1 second. 1 joule of work done in 1 second. Then what is the power of the body? That is what is my question. If anybody will do 1 joule of work done in 1 second, what is that, everybody? Please respond.
1 watt.
1 watt. Understanding? That is what you have to remember. So work is equals to power by time. You can power by time in Lingesh, power into time. Okay, va? All of you remember. We can say work is equals to power into time. Puriyamara? Lingesh? Yes,
sir.
power is equals to W by T. We want W. Then T is in division will come. This side will become multiplication. Okay, va?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody. Now, as Mari said, can I take, sir? You asked me, correct, Mari? So can I take power is equals to F into S? Shall we start, Mari? Everything is same again. Check it. What is the unit of power? What is the unit of power? Unit of power is what? Watt. Okay, va?
Watt.
Watt. What is the unit of force? Force means what?
Newton.
Into. What are the units of velocity?
Meter per second.
Okay. Now, again, Newton means what? Newton means what, guys? Respond, everybody. Newton means 1 kilogram
Constant
meter per
acceleration.
1 kilogram meter per second square. Am I right or wrong, Mari? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Then, can I write it as a 1 Newton means 1 kilogram meter per second square into meter into second. Am I right? Can I write this one as 1 kilogram meter square per second square into 1 by second? Am I right or wrong? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this entire thing is equals to what? Yesterday I have taught you. 1 joule is equals to, what is that? Kilogram meter square per second square. Am I right? So this I will write as a joule into 1 by second, which is equals to joule per second. Varandicha? Same answer came or not? Everybody. 1 joule per 1 second. Right or wrong? All of you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
That's all it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Any doubt, ask. Nivedan Puriyamara?
Yes, sir.
So whatever it is, what is the unit of, what is the SI unit of power? Everybody? Yes, please. What is the SI unit of power?
Per joule per
Watt.
second.
No, watt. SI unit of power is what?
Watt.
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 Okay. Yes, please write it. Any doubt?
Sir, then what is mean by G per S, sir? Joules per S, sir. It is also the power, no, sir.
That is equals to watt. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Purima?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And CGS unit. CGS unit, there is no name. So CGS unit is very simple. So CGS unit is, as we know, power is equals to force into velocity. R is equals to work done by time. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please. So work done is equals to, what is the CGS unit of work done? Check it, everybody. What is the CGS unit of work done? Work. Erg. Second time. Erg per second is the CGS unit. Array, power. What is the work done in CGS unit? Check it, guys. Huh?
Here.
Erg. Am I right or wrong? Verify it, everybody.
Yeah.
Yes? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So erg second, that is only called as CGS unit of power. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Understand, Amma? All of you?
Sir, so watt and volt are similar. Is watt and volt are similar?
No, Mari. Volt is different. Watt is different. Volt is the potential difference. 10th class you will study. Okay. So potential difference. Potential difference is volt. That is what we can say voltage. Power means watt. Watt is different. Purima? Okay,
Yes,
Mari?
sir.
Yeah, very simple it is. Difference. Power is different. Voltage is different. Okay, va? Yes? All of you? Now,
Sir.
one question for you all people. Define 1 watt. So tell me what is your answer. You speak your own. Then I will give you proper definition. Define 1 watt. Anybody? How we can say?
Product of 1
1
joule.
joule of work in how many seconds?
1 second.
1
1
second.
second.
Okay, that's all. Write it. The power is said to be 1 watt. The power is said to be 1 watt. 1 watt when how much amount of energy is consumed? Everybody. 1 joule of work. 1 joule of work in how many seconds, Ra? 1 joule
1
of
second.
work in 1 seconds. Okay.
1
So,
second.
to use it. Next, other units of power. Other units is kilowatt. Bigger unit, guys. Kilowatt. So small k, capital W. How to write kilowatt? Everybody? Small k and capital W. Okay, wa? So small k and capital W. Remember 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. How many watts, everyone? 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watts. Okay, wa? Next. We can use it megawatts also. Megawatts. So megawatts we can represent with a capital M, capital W. 1 megawatt is equals to 30 watts. So that is what this one I can say 10 power 3 watts. And this one how I can say, guys? 10 power 6 watts. Okay, wa? This is what is actually bigger unit of power. What we used to call this one, everybody? Bigger units of power. Okay. Now, commercial unit. In our daily life, we can use one unit. Understanding? Anybody, your father or mother is near to you. Can you ask them, what is the power of our motor? Or else power means they won't understand. Maybe your parents knows, I think. Just ask them, what is the power of your house motor? And let me know what they will say. I want to know. Everybody ask and tell me. At least one of you. Ask your mother, father, grandfather, anybody. What is the power of our motor? Ask them, your house motor. And let me know what they're saying. Exactly tell me.
Sir, 1 HP.
Yes. Who said? Your father? Shivani?
Sir,
Yeah, of course. Your father may be having idea. Okay, he said. What is the power? Power of your motor is Shivani
1
motor
HP.
is 1 HP. Yeah. Your motors, ask others. Speak loudly and tell me. This is Shivani motor is 1 HP. Others? Any others? Any other? Shivani, ask your father. Then ask father how many in kilowatts, how much? Ask him. Instead of HP, other things you ask him, like in watts, kilowatts, what is that? He'll say or not. Sir, where are you? Class. Everybody useless.
Sir,
Any
no.
other?
No. Sir.
Don't know. Okay. Mr. Lingesh, your motor? Alfin, you are too late. Yes. Sam? You ask your parents, they will say, whenever you ask what is the power of motor, always they'll say what? They'll say what? HP. So what do you mean by HP? HP means horsepower. Enadi?
Horsepower.
Slowly, horsepower. So that is what will represent with a small h and small p. So this is only called as commercial unit of power. Another, all of you? Commercial unit of power means in our daily life, the unit which is very familiar for us is this is commercial unit of power. What is the commercial unit of power, everyone? Horsepower. Okay, va? Lingesh? Commercial unit of power is horsepower. So remember, 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. 1 horsepower is equals to how many watts? 746 watts, or we can say 0.746. 4 is missing. 0.746 kilowatt. Please write it. 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts or 0.746 kilowatts. Okay, wow. Everybody speak, Ra? All of you. Then 1 kilowatt is equals to 1 by 0.746 HP. If you solve this division, you will get it 1.34 HP. So 1 kilowatt hour equals to how many HPs? Speak loudly. 1.34 HPs. Okay, wow. Nobody will answer. What I should do? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please learn it.
Yes, sir.
Very, very important one. Inara Kishore, now only you are joining. Bad fellow. Before onwards you are there.
Yes, sir, he was.
Okay. Write it. Any doubt anybody can ask. Understand, girls? Laksha, Hasini, Mr. Darshan, Purima, Sam. You ask your parents now what is your motor power, horsepower, and you can convert into kilowatts. How many kilowatts it is? You can see that. How many watts and how many kilowatts. Will you all do it or not? Yes? Everybody must do it. Okay? Then, dimensional formula of power. Let me see who will say. Ma simply sitting like a dumb fellows, I never like I'm saying you. Ahasini, that Princey, no use simply sitting means. When I ask you how to answer or you know means before itself you have to answer. Simply sitting means growth kadayadu. Dimensional formula. Dimensional formula of power. Let me see who will say first. Dimensional formula of power. I'm giving 1 minute time. Mr. Nivedan.
Sir, M power 1.
Yes.
Sir,
Where is
M
M
power 1,
L power 1, T power minus
T power minus 3.
gone? Mari, wrong. Again, repeat anybody?
Sir, M power 1,
Sir,
L
M
power
power
2,
1,
T power minus 3.
M power 1, L power?
L power 2,
L power 2,
Yes,
T
very good.
power
Lingesh.
minus 3.
Mari,
minus
indicate. L power 2, not L power 1. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Work done by time. So work done by time, can I write it as a force into displacement by time? Am I right or wrong? Yes, please. All of you. Displacement by time. Can I write it or wrong? Everybody? Yes. So we all knows that. Can you tell me what is the dimensions of force? I want to know dimensions of force. Adi teriyada, I cannot do anything. M power 1,
M power 1,
L power
L
1,
power 1,
T
T power
power
minus 1.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
By this time, everybody should know dimensions of force because this is the third time I'm repeating. Okay. So M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2 into dimensions of displacement. What is that? L power 1. Understanding? And time. Time is T power
T power
minus
minus
1.
1.
Okay. So which will turns into now M power 1, L power 1, L power 1, what will become? L power 2, T power minus 2, and this one will come up. T power division is there. So it will be coming up. So what will happen? Sorry, here
Sir,
T power
that's
1.
T power 1, sir,
Yes,
not
Mari,
T
yes,
power
Mari, yes,
minus 1,
Mari,
sir.
yes, Mari,
Division
yes. This is T power 1. So T power 1 will come up. What will become? It will become T power minus 1.
minus
So which will become M power 1, L power 2, T power what? Everybody. T power minus 3. So this is only called as dimensional formula of power. Please learn it. Till now, whatever the dimensional formulas you studied, everything write in one place and you can learn it. So always, this is very important. Dimensions of force. What is the force is equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is kg. Acceleration is meter per second square. So kg means m power 1. Meter means L power 1. Second square means per. So t power minus 2. Is it difficult to learn? It's very easy. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Yes, please. All of you. So this is what you have to remember it. So must follow. So this is the dimensional formula of power. Everything very perfectly teaching. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So please have a glance. Once the power is over, then tomorrow's class, we are going to start a concept called as energy. So once energy over, what is the types of energy? And then we'll go with the okay. So types of energies and all very theoretical question. And then we'll go with the most important concepts called as mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is two types. One is potential energy. Another one is potential energy and kinetic energy. We will study types of potential energies and derivations. I hope from tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will get many new things like derivation for electric potential energy, elastic potential energy, and spring Hooke's law. Hooke's law will come, elongation of spring, like many things we're going to study that. Okay. So this is all about the today's class. I hope you all understand and everything clear. Anybody having any doubt, please let me know. All of you understood or not? Everybody? Yes, please respond, guys. Okay. So please look into that. Once again, revise. Unless you studied that, you cannot study energy tomorrow. If you study this only, we can study energy. Okay. So this is what about today's class.